directed the Talati of Chicalim to conduct inspection of that property. Accordingly, he has conducted inspection of the property bearing survey number 83/1 of Chicalim village and submitted report. As per the preliminary report submitted by the Talati, it appears that some mud has been dumped and some debris has been dumped in the said property. The property belongs to the Communidade but the work of double tracking was going on in the adjacent property. It was done by railways, and the concerned contractor has told that he is having all the permissions from Mines Department and Goa State Pollution Control Board. We have directed him to produce the document. He has not produced yet, so we have told him to produce the requisite documents with respect to permissions obtained from the competent authorities. If he fails to do so, I will address a letter to the Mines Department. So there are allegations that some mining operations are going on in that property. So technical department is Mines Department. So if that concerned person fails to produce the documents by today, I will address a letter to the Mines Department to conduct inspection of that property, and that inspection will be taken place by Monday, tomorrow or on Monday.
सर आता खंय तरी अजूनही काम चालू आसा, खंय स्टॉप केला तुमची?
That only for that a person has told that he has availed permission from the competent authority. That I have to verify first. I cannot stop that work. Authority lies with the deputy collector. But before filing checklist, I will have to verify the documents, because he has contended that he is having all requisite permission from the competent authorities. So I have given him time till evening to produce the document. If that he fails to produce document, then I will conduct inspection along with the mines officials. I will address a letter to the Mines Department, because they are the technical department as far as mining is concerned of minerals. So let them conduct inspection. So regarding signages and all, that is the lookout of the concerned local authority, and the concerned authorities have to initiate action on the departments. So with respect to the mining operations over there or illegal conversion, that will initiate deemed field action if found that person is found guilty. Right now, as per preliminary report which has been submitted by Talati, it is revealed that he is having all permissions. Though he has not produced it, he has told us that he will produce the same by evening today.